Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will continue talking about the essential variables of the gas tungsten arc welding process. On our last video we talked about the pipe diameter for the base metal, and today we will talk about the P number of the base metal as a variable. We now know that a change in the P number is an essential variable for the welder. What is the P number? As we can see right here that we are having a table consists of 3 rows. One for the base metal, one for the welding, and one for the brazing. Today we will focus on welding instead of brazing. So what we have right here for the steel and the steel alloys, we have P number 1 through P number 15F. And for the aluminum and aluminum base alloys, we have P number 21 through P number 26. For copper and copper base alloys, we have P number 31 through P number 35. For nickel and nickel alloys, we have P number 41 through P number 49. And for titanium and titanium base alloy, we have P number 51 through P number 53. And for zirconium and zirconium base alloys, we have P number 61 and P number 62. And it's saying right here that P number are assigned to base metal for the purpose of reducing the number of welding and brazing procedure qualification required. Let's have an example to explain that. So we know that we have a lot of carbon steel material. So if we have right here a flange that's welded to a spool, and at the end of the spool we have a 90-degree elbow. Let's say that the flange material is A105, and if it's an ASME material, then it's going to be SA105, and this won't make any difference for us. Let's say that the pipe diameter is SA106 grade B, and let's say also that the elbow material is SA234 grade WPB. All of those materials are carbon steel materials. To weld those materials, I will use, for example, electrode 6010 or 7018 if it's an electric welding, or if it's an argon welding, I will use ER70S-3. So all of those are carbon steel materials having the same weldability and having the same P number. Okay, so we're having a question right here. We know that for steel and steel alloys we have from P number 1 to P number 15F. So if a welder can weld a material of P number 1, can he also weld a material of P number 15F? To answer that question, we need to go to table QW423. It's saying here that a change from one P number to any other P number or to a base metal not listed in table QW or QP422 except as permitted in QW423 and in QW420. Okay, so in table QW423, it contains 2 rows, one for the base metal for welder qualification and the other one for the qualified production base metal. Okay, let's try to explain this table. So we have in the first row for P number 1 through P number 15. If a welder can weld from P number 1 to P number 15F, then this welder can weld from P number 1 through P number 15F, and he can also weld P number 34 and P number 41 through P number 49. If a welder can weld from P number 21 through P number 26, then this welder can weld from P number 21 through P number 26. If he can weld from P number 51 through P number 53, and this is for the titanium and the titanium base alloys, then the welder can weld from P number 51 through P number 53 and P number 61 and P number 62. So some materials can qualify the welder to weld another materials. If the welder knows how to weld the materials from a definite P number, then this could qualify him to weld another materials from a different P numbers, as we can see right here on the table that we have. And if the welder is having an unassigned metal to the same unassigned metal, so this is mean that there are some materials which doesn't have a P number, so the welder can only weld those materials, and it's going to be given a specific P number, or it's going to be named as an unassigned metal. Okay, so if a welder, as we said, is welding any unassigned metal to the same unassigned metal, then it's going to only qualify him to the unassigned metal to itself. He will only be able to weld this metal. On our next sessions, we will continue talking about the other essential variables for the gas tungsten arc welding process. See you soon!